Welcome, in front of me is a OPPO A15s, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, pull down your notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle. So on here, let's see if I can find it. Okay, so there it is. It's actually turned off. So to get it in your notifications, you want to tap right here on this notepad basically icon. I don't know what it's supposed to be, but yeah, once you tap on it, it gives you the two options. So we have super power saving mode and we have the power saving mode. Now I'm gonna add both of them. There is one and there's the other one. So now when I go back, I have the power saving mode here and super power saving mode on the second page. So the typical power saving mode, once enabled, as you can see, it drops max brightness, probably disables background activities, and I assume it will turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not in use. So it will basically preserve as much battery as it can with this kind of minimalistic battery saving mode. So that's one way, and we have also the super power saving mode, but once enabled, you can see it will literally prioritize power saving, which gives you the amount of time that you have right now left. So we have 21 hours, almost 22 hours left with 45% battery apparently, which with this being enabled, honestly, that's not the greatest time. So obviously we have no wallpaper, brightness is turned down, we have just most essential apps visible right here. I believe notifications is also kind of cut down. So yeah, there we go. And to turn it off, let's see, there we go, there's the button to exit. So once you click on it, select exit super power saving mode, it will go back to the normal mode. So anyway, those are the two power saving modes that can activate right here. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.